Guys, today we're doing an ASMR with dino digging for dino eggs. Let's jump right into it. That's the manual. Not the manual. Oh, you could get. Got the eggs. It comes with little tiny paintbrushes with like a striper at the end. Another set of tiny paintbrushes.
The chisels. Put it away.
And then some cards for some reason. These are like chisels and the brushes, I guess.
Look at these tiny little baby chisels. Look at our chisel. This chisel compared to our chisel. This is as big as a bag. Use the crowbar. Use the crowbar, Grace.
Sanding it down.
I'm gonna go get some.
Looks like we got this guy right here. Him.
Okay, guys. So if you think these eggs are chalk dissolves with vinegar. Let's see if that theory is true. And I think this stuff is chalk. It looks like chalk.
It is chalk.
So let's pour some vinegar into a bowl. Ah, so much vinegar.
Alright.
So these eggs turn your hair white. So, and as I was saying, chalk dissolves in vinegar, according to Mark Rover. So we're gonna let these eggs sit in vinegar.
It's already
It's already dissolving, guys. We're gonna let it sit in here for about 5 minutes.
Roll
And
it
then-
around.
Yeah, and then hopefully the vinegar dissolves it all, and we get to figure out which one we have.
One. Oof, that's extra.
Now just leave mine alone.
Wait. That one kind of.
The Mark Rover, the chemical compound in vinegar just makes the eggs dissolve because they're chalk. And you could see earlier, now either the eggs are smoking or they're bubbling. I think it's just them dissolving. Let's explain it. Come here, Mark. Get over here.
Yeah.
The compound in these eggs is fully dissolved. It leaves some stuff behind. See, now these two fingers are dry. See them? They're dry. Now let's take these eggs out and touch them with our hands. Now, take this one out. Now let's rub our hands on it. You see, instead of like normal chalky eggs, this is not powder. This is kind of
cookie dough.
It's like kind of like slime.
Or like cookie dough.
Yeah, and now it's reacting to the vinegar, and it's not fully dissolved yet. Just take these little pieces out.
Wow. You can just do like that and it's getting away, but let's chisel at it.
So guys, these eggs look soft. Let's see if they're so soft we can use one of these on them.
Wow. That opened quickly. Wait, I think we got a baby T-Rex. Let's dip them in there. Get them all.
So does the vinegar help clean off all the residue from the little
Yes,
dinosaurs?
It
Yeah.
does.
And it
Did you notice that earlier you had a full bowl of vinegar
Yeah.
and the chalk's absorbing it, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. And
We need more vinegar.
over here, I'm just trying.
Compound is kind of like cereal. If you put your cereal in the milk for too long, your cereal gets soggy. If you put the eggs in vinegar for too long, the eggs get soggy.
And we also got this little guy, too.
Yeah,
So tell me, what do you guys think of the dino kit?
it's
Eh.
fun.
It's not bad.
It's good.
What was easier? I mean, what was better? Making it in a vinegar mix or just cracking it open with some chisels?
Both.
Cracking it.
Both.
Cracking it? I think cracking it and then soaking it in the vinegar to clean off all the dirt and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe water would have worked just as well, though. Some soapy
Sure.
water.
Yeah. I mean, it'd get the compound off of it, but like it won't dissolve the egg, so it's easy.
No, he means like clean it off the dinosaurs.
So this might take a couple of days to fully dissolve. So.
But we got this, so we can rip it open. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.